In our last episode, we set sail from the picturesque island of Paros, nested in the heart of Greece, and ventured towards the captivated island of Kos. Kos, situated near the border of Turkey, greeted us with open arms. Aware of the necessary paperwork ahead, we docked in Kos Marina, conveniently close to the bustling city center. As the wind picked up, we seized the opportunity to explore the town. Amongst its treasures, we stumbled upon the iconic tree of Hippocrates, where the father of medicine once imparted his wisdom to eager pupils. Our journey through Kos led us to the ancient ruins of the eastern archaeological area.
Each stone whispering tales of civilizations past.
We are walking in Kos, in the city, and just in the middle of the city center there's like this ancient old Greek town that that's just up here. You can just walk in and then you can just see how beautiful it is, or was. And then they even have like some of the subscription, like saying what it was before. It's very pretty.
Nightfall descended. And we walked through the illuminated streets,
Soaking in the essence of this enchanting town.
If you like our show, please subscribe below. Our last trip of the year, and for like 3 or 4 months I think, because it's almost Christmas, so that means it's almost New Year as well. And we're going to go to Turkey, and that is the last part of our journey. We set this plan out last year in Portugal, we said, oh, let's go to Turkey. We can do that. We can do that while we're actually working 40 hours a week. But if you work 40 hours a week, it means you only have the weekends to sail, and it's not always pretty if you go on the weekends. It just depends a bit on the weather and stuff. But we did it! We did it! I'm so freaking happy. So yeah, we only have to check into Turkey, but we talked to somebody that knows a lot about Turkish customs and stuff. So he's gonna help us out. And I think we already like fixed everything up. So and then we're gonna live in a house. We didn't live in a house for like 2 years. 2 years. It's gonna be very exciting. Last couple miles. Oh. The Turkish Coast Guard. We just crossed the border of Turkey. There it is. And now we're on our way to Bodrum. We found a tornado again. Ooh. We just sailed through the Rakata. Well, we didn't sail, they sailed. But we motored. Because we wanted to go to Bodrum, check in, and have a warm cup of hot chocolate. As we crossed into Turkey, the heavens opened up and the rain came pouring down. Despite the unexpected deluge, I found myself ill-prepared without waterproof gear, resulting in being drenched after an hour. Because after an hour or so, it began to rain. And now it's raining and it's windy and gray. But yeah, that's the time of year. But I really want a cup of hot chocolate with marshmallows actually. So I'm gonna get some marshmallows somewhere. We checked into Turkey with an agent who helped us with the paperwork. Because it was Sunday and just a week before Christmas, there was nobody there who could check us in, and the agent took our papers to the right people. We waited, and after a couple hours we were checked into Turkey. Upon our arrival in Turkey, a heartwarming sight awaited us. Timo's mother extended a warm welcome to this new chapter of our voyage. It has been raining this for the whole day. Oh, it's very dark up here. But we made it! We checked in to Turkey and we're now in the marina. And we are waiting to get our mooring lines fixed, but after that we're gonna go and have some dinner with T's mom and the friends. Yeah, she was waiting for us at the customs, which was really nice. They checked us in, did a lot of paperwork, but we had an agent who helped us with everything. But yeah, we're here! Oopsie, oopsie.
Rose.
Cheers! We made it!
Yeah.
Join us next time as we delve deeper into the wonders of Turkey, guided by the warmth of its people and the allure of its shores.